Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook in simple ways. So it's very simple. You just have to go to your profile and just click on the three-line button which is on the top and go to settings and privacy. So here you can see account center at the first, so click on that. And right after that you just need to scroll down and go to the last, which is accounts, and here you can see the two options, that is of Instagram and Facebook. So you just have to click on the Facebook Contentify create. So just remove this and remove account. So here it says Contentify create will lose access to these and all others connected experience. So let's continue with this, and yes, remove Contentify create. So my account is removed from Instagram. So in this way you can disconnect Instagram from Facebook. Thanks for watching the video, and please follow for more contents, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.